This is David Vineker. In this video, I have taken some key sections of a video of Google's Matt Cutts, where he explains the basics of PageRank.
Okay, well, there's a good reason why you might care what I have to say, which is I'm the head of the web spam or anti-web spam team at Google. The #1 request that I hear is, I want to do better in Google. So if you're a cat blogger, if you just post poems, power to you. But the rest of this talk will talk a little bit about how to do better in Google. But before we talk about how you can rank higher in Google, we need to learn a little bit about how Google works. And it's not that complicated. We crawl roughly in order of PageRank. That means the more PageRank you have, the faster you're likely to be found, the deeper we'll crawl on your site, the more often we'll visit your pages to see if they've been refreshed. Okay, cool, PageRank, magic green juice. How do I get more PageRank? First, what is PageRank? Anybody want to tell me? It is named for Larry Page. Larry Page and Sergey Brin, the two co-founders of Google. What is PageRank? Okay, it's not that secret of sauce. It's not green fairy dust. Let's just walk through a very simple eigenvector. It's really simplicity itself. So, singular value decomposition. Let's just go ahead and... Wait, you didn't show up at 10 a.m. on a Saturday morning to talk math? No? Okay, all right. PageRank at a 50,000-foot view is this. It's the number of people that link to you and how important those links are. So, one of my favorite examples, suppose you have a buddy from college, right? And you have a blog and he has a blog. Suppose you've got 10 comments, or 10 links pointing to your blog, and your buddy has 20 links pointing to his. Who has more PageRank? Well, he's got 20 links. You've only got 10. But what if your 10 links are the New York Times, the LA Times, Reader's Digest, CNN.com, and his 20 links are all his buddies from college, right? So PageRank is not just getting as many links as you can. Please, give me more links. I have to have more links. No, it's also how important they are. So having high-quality content can really make a big difference. I promise I won't get more technical than this. It looks a little complicated. I'll walk through it very quickly, but it's not as bad as it looks. Look at this page right here. These are links coming into one page. PageRank is at a page level, page, and these are outlinks. So imagine this is your blog. If you've got a bunch of links pointing into your blog, and your blog homepage has a PageRank of 9, let's just say 9 in an abstract sense, and you've got 3 outlinks, you more or less divide that 9 by 3, and the 3 goes out on each of the outlinks. That's the basic idea behind PageRank. If you look at the top one, this guy's got a PageRank of 100. He's got a lot of PageRank. And he's got 2 outlinks. So each of those 2 outlinks, you take 100, you divide by 2, because you've got 2 outlinks, and 50 goes to each one of those. That's literally the idea behind PageRank. It's that simple. Now, in practice, if it really worked this way and you had a loop, PageRank would just keep cycling around forever and ever and ever, and mathematically speaking, the world would blow up. You don't want the world to blow up. So there's a little bit of an additional thing, which is that PageRank kind of evaporates. A little bit of it decays every time it goes across a link. But that's literally the idea behind PageRank. It's the number of links you get pointing to you and how important those links are. Now, I always worry when I talk about PageRank because a lot of people, as soon as they hear about backlinks, they're like, I need backlinks. I need a lot of backlinks. I need thousands of backlinks from thousands of places. And so this is literally a phrase that I found on the web. This person suffers what I call BO. You do not want to suffer from BO. That's backlink obsession. Okay? This guy is saying, I have 297 links with a PR7, da-da-da-da-da. This guy's only got 59 links with a PR6, da-da-da-da-da. And he ranks higher, and it's not fair, and the all-in anchor query, and don't get down to this level of detail. Think about it at a very high level. You want to have people know about you. You want those people to be reputable. So search engine optimization you can spend an infinite amount of time learning about. But here's the 50,000-foot view. There's a tension between relevance and being reputable. Right? So Matt Mullenweg, right? He's got a pretty reputable blog. It's pretty well known. He's got good PageRank. He beats me. I hate that. He's like the number 1 Matt. I'm like the number 8 Matt or something. You think, can't you tweak it so you're number 1? No, we can't tweak it so we're number 1. Ugh. Okay, so he's the number 1 Matt. He's got a ton of PageRank. Suppose you're searching for a random thing like a medical condition, attention deficit disorder. If Matt Mullenweg just mentions the phrase attention deficit disorder, and he's saying it, just in passing, like a joke, like, yeah, I organized this conference, but, I didn't spend a lot of time on it. I've got attention deficit disorder, but, it'll be cool. We'll have a good time. That's reputable. His blog is reputable, but it's not that relevant. So another way to think about relevance is what you say on your page, and reputable is what people say about you, how they link to you. So you want to be both. You want to be on topic, and you also want to be reputable. So you don't want to just return pages that barely mention something in passing. So let's talk, let's move to the middle chunk of this, which is, how do I be relevant? How do I be reputable? Relevance is, again, stuff on your page, what you write, including the mechanics of how you write.